How to make guacamole with Vanessa. First, you're going to need 3 avocados or as many as you choose, a lime, some tomato or 1, onion, salt, cilantro, a bowl, a spoon, and can't forget your knife. When cutting using the knife, make sure you have adult supervision. When you cut your avocados, make sure you cut them in half and take out the seeds. Next, you want to grab your bowl and your spoon and grab out all the green stuff from the avocado. Make sure you do this to all the avocados. Once you're done, make sure you use your spoon and put it into the bowl. Next, when you have all your avocados there, smash it up. Cut your tomato in half and make sure you cut it so you're able to make it into small little cubes. I prefer cutting it this way because it's easier and you're able to make it into squares. Once you're done with that, you're going to want to add all your tomatoes into your bowl. Next, you're going to want to grab your 6 to 7 strands of cilantro and cut them in half into small little parts again and add them to your bowl. Now that you have all that stuff in there so far, you're going to want to mix. Grab your onion and cut it into small pieces like you did to the other ones. In little squares too. Now cut your lemon in half and make sure you squeeze all the lemon out. Half is normally good. Now you're going to want to add your salt. I like to go around 5 or 6 times just to give it some flavor. Don't worry, this is enough salt. It may seem like a lot, but it's not. Once it looks like that, you're ready to go. I'm going to have my little brother test it. Look at that bite. What do you rate it, Ryan?
10 out of 10.
That's good. High five.